Hello, my name is Yareli Gutierrez and I am a student at UTSA. I am currently taking a technical writing course and I'm here to talk to you about the importance of progress reports. Progress reports have proven to be a critical skill in the workforce. When you apply to jobs, they usually require basic knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Knowing how to use these programs effectively can certainly help you grow in the company. It can help you help the company grow, and it just gets things done more efficiently. Communication is so important. In a progress report, you will be updating people on how your projects are going. So, you can use these in jobs like office jobs, engineering jobs, construction site management. Chances are you will probably write another progress report after you graduate. So I hope you paid attention. But if you didn't, I'm here to refresh your mind on what should go into a progress report. Your progress report should begin with a cover letter. On this cover letter should be who you're addressing, your name, what the title of your progress report is and what you will be talking about, and the date. Next should be a table of contents. This will help your reader find information quickly. After your table of contents, you will start your actual progress report. You will begin with an abstract or an executive summary. An executive summary is a condensed summary of the entire report that includes main points and conclusion. Often, it is the only thing your readers will actually read, so it must be thorough and elaborate, but not completely detailed. You will often write your abstract at the end, where you can summarize the entire thing and give your reader a really good, big overview of what your progress report says. Next will be your introduction. In your introduction, you will talk about the subject of the report. What is the subject? What is your purpose for the report? Do you have any background information for the reader? What are your sources of information? What is the scope of the report? What are your more significant findings? What are your recommendations? You will state the organization of your report and talk about any key terms the reader should know. After your introduction will be your problem statement, where you'll state the problem you're addressing. You'll talk about why it's a problem and what you can do about it. After your problem statement, you'll talk about your methodology. How are you going about finding your information, finding your solutions to this problem? Why are your sources valuable? Next, you will evaluate your information. After you went about looking for sources of information for how to solve your problem, how are you interpreting the data? Next, you will state your results. What did your data show you? How did you interpret it, and what does that mean? Finally, you will give your recommendation and your conclusion. Tell the reader what you think all of this means and what you recommend based on your research. Throughout your writing of the progress report, you must remember a few key factors. Remember who your audience is. Remember what your purpose is. And don't forget to be okay with change. Sometimes the questions you are researching will lead you to more questions, or you'll find out that maybe your initial thoughts were wrong or just different. It'll lead you in a different direction, and that is okay. You're not setting out to just prove you were right. You're informing the reader of what your findings were. In her book, Persuading with Numbers, Sue Hum states how to write a progress report and goes into great detail on how to do it effectively. One of her tips is to use data visualization. Visuals. Visuals can be either exploratory or explanatory. Either one that you choose. She suggests that using data visualization is such an important tool because of the brain's processing power, the mental tools provided by visualization, and their meaning-making ability. The visuals should go right along with what you were trying to help people visualize in your report. So if you're talking about in your methodology, your results from your data, the visuals should be right there following that information. Don't just have it at some random place. Finally, your word size and font should be the same throughout the entire paper. Try to format it in a way that if you use patterns, you keep using them. Be consistent. I hope you've taken to memory everything you've learned in this technical writing course. I hope that it helps you succeed in your workplace after graduation. Good luck!